Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. I just finished reading a book called The Mountain Is You. I've been reading it for like more than 2 months. It's like such a good self-help book. It gives you all this information on how to process your thoughts. It's like basically a self-help book that's like very emotional and understanding of the human nature. The amount of knowledge that this book gives, it's insane. It's literally insane. You will never learn all these things in your whole life alone. And for the rest of the day I need to do a lot of assessment. I'm gonna work on that the whole day. Enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, I was supposed to be productive today, but I really wanted to go out because I haven't went and had fun in 2 weeks. So took myself on a shopping date and I am back. So let's do a little shopping haul. I just bought some stuff from Muji and H&M, so yeah. A little mug, hard glass, and also the very famous pen. I hope this writes well. From H&M, I got a sweatshirt. That's really all I bought, but that's all. Hey guys, so I'm gonna head out with my sis. Let me just wear my shoes and let's get going. Somehow we ended up in the boat.
Yay! Cheers to the free drink! Yay!
See you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment if you enjoy.